It's Wednesday, April 26th. And we got back in stock one of my very most favorite products. And that is the Gleener, my friends. The Gleener. This lovely little ergonomic tool is unbelievable. First, it's a lint remover on this end. And then on this end, you can put on one of 3 blades. This is a coarse blade for like heavy camel coats. This is a medium blade for cashmere sweaters and other sweaters. This is a very fine blade, and this works really well on synthetic dresses, you know, like a polyester dress that pills, you know, pills where your arms are, tiny little pills. This works fabulous. All you do is you pop them on like that, and you scrape down, and then all the little pills show up here, and you just pick them off, and you keep scraping, and they pick them off and keep scraping. It is the best by far of any depiller that I've ever seen. Fabulous. You just push that little button right there and it comes off, depending on what you need to do. This is fabulous. They are $22.50 for the Gleener. The bag comes in a nice little travel bag and 3 blades. Fabo. Awesome. The Gleener. Love it. Now they also make a travel Gleener, smaller, without the handle, but it still has the lint remover, and it has the dipiller on this side, and inside are the additional blades. So perfect. I have this blue-gray, which comes in this cute little floral bag, and then I have this orchid, which comes in this cute little floral bag. Gotta have one, I'm telling you. The smaller ones are $16. It's a deal. They are fabulous, fabulous. Fixes a cashmere sweater or a synthetic dress in a heartbeat. Love it. I know everybody's going to want to know what this is. I've worn it before. I've told you all about it. It's called the Una Miso Capelet. It takes, you take a fingering weight yarn and a mohair weight yarn in between there, and you run the mohair and the fingering together, and then you drop the fingering and you knit just the mohair for 4 or 5 rows, and then you pick the fingering back up, and you don't cut anything. You run the yarn up the whole unit with you. It starts on 1 needle, it goes down to a smaller needle up here. It's sort of conical shaped. It is one of my most favorite accessories. It was just a little bit chilly today, so I thought, I'll just throw on my Una Miso. This is the pattern, the Una Miso Capelet. It's a $7.50 pattern. We can sell it to you right here, and it takes 1 skein of fingering and 2 skeins of mohair, and we can make a gazillion combinations for you. So if you are interested, let us know. You could use a multi sock yarn and a solid, or vice versa. You could use a multi mohair and a solid. It's endless what you can do, and it is a fabulous piece. It's just a big conical thing like that, and it's lightweight, weighs nothing. Super great. All right, I think that's it. I will see you tomorrow.